Also got a case of Recluse by Dominator. It's a 9 on a board cake. You look at the performance on the side here. There we go. This is a long performance, so bear with me. It's 9 shots. Just like the Recluse Spider, this item packs a deadly punch. 9 large breaks of color wave and strobe, and a loud and colorful finale. Make this item a must-have for any serious show. Each break rises from the exposed mortar tubes, just like the pros use, and then breaks into a strobing display that fills the sky. This item uses the maximum powder allowed by law, as they all do. All right, we got cake number 6.